Do you know thousands of studies are published every single day, and most of them disagree with each other? How we are supposed to know what actually is true? They contradict each other, and somewhere in that pile is the answer a real decision depends on. Florence Nightingale took the chaos of war and turned it into one chart that forced a decision that changed everything. Mortality fall from 42% to 2%. That wasn't statistics. That was a decision literacy. Systematic review and meta-analysis are how we still do it today. You take a mountain of conflicting studies and turn it into one trustworthy answer. I'm Dr. Robot. I teach researchers to turn that chaotic situation into research clarity. Follow along. This is a meta journey.